Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Oh, what a nightmare I've had with these beads. Tell ya. Oh, I've flipped them out and they've gone all over the place. Yeah. So, let's try not to make a mess again. And be careful. So, as you can see, I have my bead board and I am making a bracelet with these gorgeous, gorgeous beads that are from the new jewellery making kit. It's called Spring Bling. Love it. So yeah, off we pop. So what have I done already? Well, I've set my beads up again. I hope I've got them all. I can't see any more on the floor. There probably is. Yeah, so I've put my end on. Let me show you. And I will show you how to do this. I don't know if I'm doing it properly, but that is my, I don't even know if you can see because it's a close-up. So that is my end on. I think I'm in the right place. I knew this was going to be a little bit of a nightmare. So I'm sorry if my head gets in the way as well, because I cannot see the holes in the beads. I should have my glasses on, really. Right, okay, so let's get these on and hope they're in the right place. Start again. Yeah, I was already set to turn the camera on and start filming. What did I go and do? When I sat down, I flipped the board and they went everywhere. Yeah. I will be making some earrings to go with this bracelet. Just to make a set, maybe a couple of pairs of earrings. Not on this video, because I think this is going to take me ages to do this. So yeah, if you have got one of these bead boards, absolutely brilliant. It measures everything for you. So if you put it at the 0 where you've got your link to fasten, and you put it around, no, it's the second one. Is it the second one along or the first one along? I don't know. I think it's the second one along. And you put it up. I've got like large wrists, so mine goes up to 8. If you've got smaller wrists, then obviously I'd measure them. Right, okay, let's carry on instead of waffling, because this is going to take a long time to do. I feel it. So yeah, just carry on putting these beads on. When you do buy this jewellery making kit, there's an add-on that you can get, and it's an earring findings kit. So you get all the bits you need to make like earrings apart from your beads. But she does have beads in her online shop. So why not buy some to go with it? I've knocked them out the way now. I bet you I've got them in the wrong. I'm just putting them on. I'm talking and putting them on. I'm not even noticing what beads I'm putting on. Oh dearie, it doesn't matter. It's all green, so you know. Yeah. Sorry about my fingers if you're... Is it that one? I don't know if it's that one. No, it's that one. What was I saying? I've lost my concentration. Then I think I'm all mixed up with myself. I've put 2 of them together, haven't I? Yeah, that's wrong. That is wrong. See what happens when you're not taking notice of what you're saying, what you're doing, and what you're saying. Yeah. So what is it after that? So it's one of these like glassy type beads. I don't know the names of the beads, unfortunately. I know seed beads. That's about it. Right, what's next after this? One of these. And then, what is it? One of these ones. Oh dear. Hopefully you'll have more luck than me. I just hope this is going to turn out like I want it to turn out. Then what is it? Is it one of these? It is, yeah. And then the big green one after. And I'm putting dangly ones on as well. Right, okay, so that is my beads on there. I don't know if you can see, right, it should be on the second one. Stay there. Let me just pull it down so you can see this bit here. So it's just before the 8, and I want it there because I'm going to put my links and everything on. I'm going to have to stand up because I don't have put it in the back in the right place. Okay, so here we are. Yes, keep saying so, but okay. And then you need one of these, which you thread through like so. Just going to bring it this way so it's on there right up next to it, and then I'm going to get one of these teeny tiny crimping beads, very small. Sorry, I've just knocked the camera with my head. I can't see the whole. It would have been a good idea to put my glasses on, I think. So I'm stuck. Right, how am I doing this? Okay, so I do want a little bit of give. Stay there, and then get your crimping pliers, push it on just a little bit and push and push, squeeze it, not too tight because they do break. I've had one break on me. Okay, and then what I like to do is put a knot in. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to get my tippy ones, pull this through and try and get the knot as far up there as you can. So I'm just going to, no, don't do it yet. Right, I need it to be pushed on, but I can't get hold of it. Right, okay. So the best person to watch with things like this is our lovely Dawn. See, my knot is in the wrong place now. Never mind, doesn't matter. I'm going to get another crimping bead and put it on. It's probably not going to go over the knot, but I can't even see the hole. There it is. Put that on. See where it goes to. Okay, so now these do move, so I'm gonna put that crimping bead right where the knot is, and squish, squishy, squish. All right, okay, so that's right over my knot. So I'm just gonna bring it up. There we go. And then, no, I need to cut this off first. So yeah, I'm not going to cut it all the way to the end of my crimping bead, as you can see. So, and then do that, bring this closed, and there you go. There you have your ends. Now I'm going to put, I'm sorry if it's a bit loud, I'm stood up over the camera, so I'll try not to shout. Okay, so what do I need? Right, I have got my lobster claw clasp, which is here, and I've also got this gorgeous cat charm. Isn't that so pretty? It's beautiful. I love it. So I've already got my links on, and what you want to do is, where's my pointy ones, is find your end. You see, there you go, and don't pull it away from each other, just push it towards you like that. And then, sorry, a bit shaky, Anna, and then put it through like that. And before I close it, I want to put my charm on like that. Oh, shaky, shaky. And then bring it back together like so. Can do a better job than that, Claire. Right, so far, we have got this. How cute is that? I think I've made it a little small. That's not going to fit on my wrist. I think I know who I'm going to gift it to, though. So what do I need to do now? Now I've got my ends on. Oh, got my finger stuck in there. I am going to attempt to put all my danglies on. Yes. Now, where are they going to go? Because everything moved. I had it all set up in its place where it's supposed to be. Right, let me just see if I can remember where it is. Oh, that goes up to, no, it's there. It's dead on 8. So I don't understand why it looks so small. I don't know. So I'm going to put it there. I'm going to try and stay in shot, and I'm going to sit down. Of course, my hips are hurting. Stood up, bending over like that. Right, okay. Yes. Let me see. Is it there, 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 and there? Yes. Okay, so you want to do exactly the same thing as what you did with your link when you put your lobster claw on. Is you want to separate it, and then I'm glad I left a little bit of space, like, and I want to make sure that these are close. I'm going to push it together slightly. Right, that's definitely closed. So that is the first one. It's going to look good. And the second one, oh, I'm doing this right, Dawn. Open, and then on, did I put it before? Yes. I don't think it makes a difference if it goes before or after. But yeah. And close that up. Beautiful. Get the next one. So yeah, it's just a repeat, really. And these beads are absolutely beautiful. Yeah. I wonder if she's got any purple ones in. Purple glass ones. Do you that, Dawn? You need purple glass ones. So I can make myself one of these. I'm not saying the green's not nice, because it is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, my colour's purple. I think I need to get another one. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. make sure that's actually shut, and it isn't, so I'm going to give it a little squeeze. Next one. And that one. Should really use the other pair of pliers. And the last one. No, I don't need any more. I've got the right amount. Oh. I hope my head's not been in the way all this time. You see nothing. Nothing. Okay, that's not quite together. There we go. So, I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. I like that I put the charm on. Let me close it up. Might change that link there because that's quite big. Change it for a smaller one, I think. But there we go. How beautiful is that? Oh, I love it. Absolutely love that. Oh, it's beautiful with a little cat charm on as well. Oh, wow. I'm so happy with this. Let me look. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Hope I've done you proud, Dawn. Yeah. I really do like that. I don't know if you see my unboxing. Everything's all over the place at the moment, so yeah, it's a bit of a mess because I just threw everything all over the place. But you get wire in it, and I had an old reel from years ago that had some very old wire on it, and I just threw it in the bin, it just kept snapping. So I've just wound my wire that you get in the jewellery kit around this, so I can keep it as is. Yeah. But I will be back on because I'm going to make some gorgeous cat earrings to match, and maybe another pair. What's that? I don't know what that was. Yeah, and I'm going to put another pair with it, and maybe along the lines make a necklace to match. But I think I'll use chain for the necklace. I've got some chain that I can use that I also got from Dawn Shop. Quite cheap as well. So yeah, that is it for today. I think I've taken up enough of your time and enough of my time. I need to go for a breather. I have got a coffee here that I haven't even drank. I've just found another bead. What's it doing up there? Oh, I'm going to find beads for days, aren't I? Yeah. So there we go. Stop waffling, man. That is my gorgeous bracelet. Thank you for sticking with me. But I'm definitely going to go. I'm definitely going to leave you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.